Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to define or change the measurement unit type in Onshape. After creating the document, secondly we have to define the measurement unit type. To define the measurement unit type in Onshape, click on three line bar to expand the menu and then click workspace unit. There are many kinds of the measurement unit type that we can use for our workspace, like centimeter, foot, inches, meter, millimeter, and yard. You have to click to one of these measurement unit type that you want to use for your workspace. For example, I want to use millimeter, so I have to click on millimeter and click the tick sign to confirm it. It will affect to your workspace of the document. Thank you for watching and don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell if you want to get more video.